Hello everyone! In this tutorial, we will learn how to add music to Canva website. If you've ever wanted to make your Canva website more vibrant and engaging, adding music is a fantastic way to do just that. Whether you want to feature your favorite songs, a podcast episode, or any audio content that speaks to your audience, this tutorial will guide you step by step. By the end of this video, you'll be able to enhance your visitors' experience with the power of sound. So, let's get started. To achieve this, we'll be utilizing a handy tool called L-Site's Audio Player Widget. It's a straightforward process, and I'll walk you through each step in detail. First, let's head over to L-Site's website. Once you arrive on their homepage, look for an option labeled Catalog. Clicking on this will open up a world of different widgets that L-Site offers. Now, your task is to scroll through the list or simply use the search function to locate the Audio Player Widget. This is the crucial element that will allow you to stream audio content seamlessly on your Canva site. Once you've found the Audio Player widget, give it a click. You'll now see a variety of templates presented to you. These templates are like different styles and functions for your audio player, so choose one that aligns best with your website's theme and purpose. After picking the perfect template, click on Continue with this template to proceed to the customization page. Here lies the fun part: customizing your audio player. On this page, you can tweak and tailor your audio track settings. If there's a default track in place that doesn't match your content, you can easily remove it. Just click the three dots next to the track and select Delete. This gives you the freedom to start with a fresh canvas, so to speak. Now, it's time to add your tracks. Click on Add Tracks, which will allow you to upload your own audio files. It could be anything from music to spoken word content, whatever resonates with your audience. After uploading, the next step is to navigate to the player settings. Here you can adjust various options to better suit your website's needs. For instance, you might decide to enable the autoplay feature, which will play your audio automatically when someone visits your site. However, make sure to consider user experience and any regulations around autoplay to ensure you're providing a smooth visit for your audience. Once you're happy with all the settings, click on Publish. This action will set your widget live, making it ready for your visitors to enjoy. If you're working with a budget, L-Site offers a free plan option that you might find suitable. After deciding on the plan, click on Share Link and then copy the link provided. Now it's time to bring this audio feature to your Canva website. Open up your site design in Canva. On the left panel, there's an option called Apps. Click on this, and in the search bar, type Embed. Select the Embed option and then paste the link you copied from L-Site. By clicking Add to Design, the audio player is inserted into your Canva canvas. You may need to adjust its size to ensure it fits beautifully within your website's layout, complementing its visual appeal while enriching the audio experience. And that's it. You've successfully integrated a fully functional audio player into your Canva website. This integration allows you to connect more deeply with your audience through sound, adding an exciting layer of interaction to your digital content. Hopefully, this guide helped you easily master how to add music to Canva website. If it did, please let us know down in the comments section below. If you want more videos like this, subscribe to our channel, PMN Online.